Welcome back to your intermediate guide to ranch roping. Today I'm going to show you a fan favorite, the karate chop. Today's video is brought to you by 2 Timothy 1:7. For the spirit God gave us does not make us timid, but gives us power, love, and self-discipline. Never weaken. There are 2 hip shots I use when I'm actually doctoring cattle, and this is one of them. The other one would be the mirroring shot to this, which is the forehand hip shot. So the forehand hip shot is thrown from the right-hand side of the calf. The karate chop is thrown from the left. You're gonna need your backhand swing for this shot, and you're going to position yourself at about a little less than a 45 degree off of the calf's hip. What you want to keep in mind is you want as much surface area or as much area between the calf's legs as possible for this hip shot. So if I throw it from here, it's kind of taking away my ability to get that to hang on the hip. The inertia of your rope traveling from left to right is going to want to whip it off the calf's butt. So keep that in mind. The sweet spot is about right here. If I travel too far this way, what happens is those calves' legs start getting closer and closer together, so your strike zone gets a little smaller. So start out right here and then practice with both, and you can apply it to whatever you're best at. So you're going to want a big loop for this, but you don't want it too big. It's all dependent on how big the calf is. I'm going to swing a backhand swing, and when I go to deliver this, I want to really follow it to the ground, okay? It's going to feel like I'm doing the most, but everyone's miss with this shot is high. So when I go to deliver it, you don't have to throw it hard. You just float it up there and it hits in the proper position, and it should go right in, okay? That could have gone a little deeper, of course, but you get the general idea. The hip shot should be exactly like that one over there. From here, I can kind of pick this slack up on the back side of the calf. My header would leave and I would pick up feet. But the 2 big errors that people make when they're throwing this shot is they either throw it with a houlihan or they throw it too high. It's not a houlihan swing. Do not roll your thumb down. You want to keep your thumb out, and you want to practice just delivering it nice and smooth. That's a much better one. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.